Hey guys, today we entered the little firework place. It is epic here in Montreal. It's so sick, dude. Like, so epic. Okay, Anya, do you have anything to add to this
That is so cool.
I know. It is sick and epic. I'll be recording for a little bit.
Magma fire.
What do you have to say for this, for these things?
It's magma fire.
Wow, that sounds cool.
I need this lollipop.
Wow. We have entered
Do I hop on this side?
Alright. How cool would it be if I cannonball into this thing? Into the fireworks while it's active. Wow, oh my god, this is about to be epic. This looks like a sperm. Wow. Oh my god. That
That
sounds
had a
like
shockwave to it.
that
Did you
looked
feel the wind?
at the beginning it looked like a sperm. I don't know why. It looked like a spermatozoid. That's epic. That's round 1, 2. Alright, see you guys for next one. I just started like 10 seconds later. I think it's because it's gonna end soon. Whoa.
It's really been 10 minutes.
That's so cool, dude. It already been. We're about to finish this. Never. Alright, we're just finding a spot. Hopefully
Do you want to see it?
no. Not gay, Greg.
Yes,
Baby?
Alright, this looks epic. A better view, it's kind of closer. We're behind gates. It's fine. Look at this. So we're at a very cool picture. It's a very nice scenery.
Yeah. Yo, see it.
No, I'm good.
Yo.
Can I do that?
Alright, okay, this is so epic. I have to take a little bit of videos. Look, so now we're waiting. Look at the people here. And oh my god, this is epic. Look at all these people here trying to cross. And then there's these. Wow, that is so cool. Oh my god. That is sick. So we bought the hell. Copyright is not, I think. Wow. Three big ass balls.
What if it's a chemical?
Wow. Whoa. What the heck? That is so cool. Wow. That looks like a brain. That's so sick. That's actually epic. I don't know why. I just love this.
Because you're vlogging.
It's amazing. Alright. Getting ready. It actually looks way better than it looks on camera. Wow. Alright, let's skip it, dude. Alright, I don't really care. I have a lot of storage. Wait a minute. What is going on down there? Get over it, easy up a bit. Wow. Wait, oh, there's the sound. Wow. This sounds so garbled, even into my ears. Wow. Okay, I can't go off because we'll miss a lot. Whoa. Hopefully the microphone's not broken by now. Hello. The setup is amazing. Imagine being that airplane right there. I'd be sick. Wow. Oh, sorry, I just paused. Yo, little hearts. That's so cute. We got, oh, wait for the sound. Oh. Alright. Wow. Hold on. I can't wait. I have to scratch my legs. Scratch my legs. Alright, there's one dot here. More are coming on. Oh, microphone, please be alive. Oh, yeah. Ooh. I'm just hooking up an amp to listen to this video. I think someone's gonna have to do that one day. I don't have an amp, so it's not gonna be me. Wow, okay, wait. Oh, microphone. I can't really add a lot of commentary. I don't know any commentary. Just fireworks. It looks cool though. It looks sick, but what kind of vlogging can I do about this? Whoa, what the hell? Wow. Oh no, film footage. Something has appeared. Looks like a UFO. Well, that's sick. I kinda like that. But it's not that impressive. It's literally just like lines. Whoa. I like when it's long. Whoa. People are using the flashes. That helps. Doesn't look good. No flash. Please don't. It will ruin the quality. Alright, I got loads of fireworks. Geometry Dash reference.
That's the point of using comparisons.
That's crazy. Wow.
Oh, sorry.
Wow. I'll be waiting for I think there's an airplane, like a real one. It's kind of weird. Whoa. That's crazy. There's no fireworks. I'll be skipping till then.
He didn't like it either.
The what?
Weird. It doesn't like.
Le Vampire? Oh yeah.
Oh, you the Titan.
It's not the type
Le
of.
Titan? Oh yeah. That wasn't that good. Oh god, it's starting. Arena, it's starting. It's starting. Oh god, I was already on pause. Okay, well, I'll have to cut that out. Alright, well, there's the nice fireworks over there. I don't know, that doesn't look too interesting. You know, wait. Oh god, okay, it's starting. Boom! Big Bang Theory. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Big Bang Theory. What do you want?
I'm leaving this here, okay? It's your responsibility.
Oh my god, my responsibility. I'm gonna be. Where are you going, blood? Where are you going, blood? Bro, then how is it? Wow, that looks epic. No.
Are you filming the whole thing?
Yeah.
You're gonna so run out of storage.
Want to say something to the camera? Are you okay on camera?
Yeah.
Alright. What do you want to say? What do you
This
guys?
is so fun, and I love Montreal.
What she means is that she hates it. Oh, microphone! Please don't die.
Why are you so up close and personal?
All right, wait 2 seconds. All right, look at that. That looks cool. Wow, that looks sick. Aw, he looks like he's sitting bad.
Me turning around?
He looks sad.
Walk forward.
Alright. Whoa! I don't know why the fireworks, I think they're funny. They just... Alright, this sounds so cool. Whoa. Alright. I'm gonna skip. Wow, there is something very cool going on. I don't know.
I saw it.
Yeah, I know. It looks epic, don't you think?
10 out of 10 epicness.
Yeah, it was so cool. It was like big bangs.
Multicolored.
Siri.
How do you read it?
Whoa, 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 wait. Ooh. 9. Yo. This is sick. LGBTQ. Oh my god, gay people. Gay people. The pride community. Oh god. I'm gonna stop saying things like getting cancer. I'm saying something about June and it's the month. You know what it is. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's cool. Whoa, what that's like bongos. I don't know why. Oh god. One-handed vlogging. Hey guys, would you rate this?
It's such an interesting shape. Can I take a few pictures with you?
Alright,
Can you
sure.
pause the vlogging?
Sure, okay guys, I gotta go. Sorry
Oh,
if
can
it's
you take
me.
a few pictures of us?
Well guys, oh no, you missed all this. I can't clap! I cannot clap! I have, no, it's alright. It's just, I'll clap.
Is it done? Oh.
I clapped. Oh wait, it's done? Well,
You think it's good? You think it was good?
I like it.
Alright.
You guys want to go
Alright,
do
guys.
some really fast driving?
guys, hold on, guys, you wanna see? Thank you guys for watching. This is most likely gonna be days after this because I have to take a lot of time editing, and I hope that I will be able to make a better video than I've ever did. All right, bye, peace out. Yo. Can I?